And this is the finished product of young chow fried rice with longganisa and scrambled egg with tomato and onion. And I will eat this together with the cucumber juice. And it tastes like spring onions and it's nice to combine with the egg. So Ma, how does it taste?
Wow, it's tasty and homey. You have to try, you have to cook this again and again. This good.
First, the spoon. This is called cutware and this is also called glassware. First, we'll wash these things, the flatware and the glassware. Before we will rinse it, let us soak all the utensils and all the silverware and glassware. Flatware is also called glassware. I mean silverware. Then the next will be the plates and the serving dishes. Before doing it or rinsing these dishes, finish soaping it because it will waste time. When the dishware and the plates are already done being in a soap, being soap, the next will be in so before we wash it, let's clean this first and put it in a container that is being thrown into the garbage directly. So it's already done, it's cleaned. Others are thrown in the garbage and others are recycled and then been dumped into the soil so that the soil will be fertile. Let us use this water so that we can preserve and we can conserve the water. We can conserve the water from being used in washing. This water will be used also in watering the plants. However, this will be separated because it's like an oily surface is still there. So let us clean these things. If it is oily, we'll separate it from not.